Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's try to understand what are the key features of lists. So lists are said to be ordered collection of items. So items are stored in a specific order. Let's try to take some example. So here we have fruits collection, banana, apple, and orange are the items. So if you want to access in the same way how they are inserted, we can access either by their position or index. The normal default way is we try to access it there by respect to index. So indexing starts from 0. This is the index 0, index 1, index 2. Now if I want to access the value apple, I would go and take the index 1 so that we could get the output to be apple. So the second feature of lists is, so we can say that lists are mutable. So mutable in the sense, so the values in that respect to list can be changed even after they are created. So let's say now in this given list, if I want to modify the value of apple, so I want to modify this value of apple to mango. So you can access its respect to index and simply give the value what you want to assign. Now your updated list would be banana, mango, as well as orange. So let's try to dive in the other more features of our lists. So we can say lists also allow duplicates to insert. So maybe here if I say banana, apple and orange are already the items which are present. If I want to add one more value of banana, so we can still try to add into that. So now the updated list would be banana, apple, orange as well as banana. And also the other last more feature of our list would be it is heterogeneous. So heterogeneous in the sense, so it is mixture of different data types. So probably like numbers, strings, booleans. So all these different data types we can try to use. So let's try to take some example. So 10, 20, hello, 14.567, true. Here we have the combination of integer values. We have a string, we have a float value, we have a boolean value even. So these are the key features of our list. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.